Well, what is keeping you from buying a home? For many, it's the financing. But are you asking the right questions when it comes time to qualifying for that loan? This is Brent Ivanson. He is the owner of Ideal Home Loans, and he's with us this morning because he and his team, they can help you land that mortgage. And you guys have a philosophy over there at Ideal. And what is that philosophy? What should we be asking?
You know, it's first we listen, then we lend. And here's what we really mean by that. Everybody who calls our office, and we have hundreds of people every month who contact us, they all have a unique individual reason for calling. And so, believe it or not, your mortgage can actually be a solution, not just a debt that you use to finance your home. And so we really look at it as an all-encompassing approach on how can we really get your mortgage working for you rather than you just working to pay your home loan.
All right, so first you listen, then you lend,
Yep.
and this is a good time to do so.
For sure.
Rates are at a very low level. We thought they'd be up by now, but they're not. They're holding steady.
Yeah, you know, we still have 30-year fixed rates at 3.75% this morning. So we've certainly thought rates were going to be in the mid to high fours by this point as we looked at things earlier in the year. So this was a gift that we didn't expect to get. So this helps a number of people. If you're out looking to buy, you qualify for more home. And if you're looking to refinance, the savings are even bigger thanks to lower interest rates.
So what's keeping current homeowners, and I know you're seeing this, from taking advantage of these really record low levels?
You know, there's a couple of things. One, people don't want to start over in a new home loan. You know, if they've made that progress and paid off 6 or 7 years, or maybe it's 12 or 13, they don't want to go backwards. The other thing is cost. They feel the cost will outweigh the benefit. They're surprised to find that it's a handful of months and you're putting real net dollars back in your pocket. This is not a multi-year proposition. It's really a couple of months and you're getting ahead.
Well, so how do people know whether a refinance works for them? Because I know you get that question a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't feel like dealing with it. I'm already comfortable.
Sure. You know, here's what I would tell you. Think of the last social event you were at. Of the homeowners that were there, half of them could be benefiting from rates right now. So the way you know it makes sense, you've got to look at the math. How much is it costing? How much are you saving? We'll determine that break even for you and make sure that it makes sense. And that's why we ask a lot of questions up front in terms of what are your long-term and short-term goals so we can put you in the right home loan.
And you say record home prices, they really benefit current homeowners. How so?
Well, they do. You know, a lot of people are looking to make home improvements. Tap into the cash in your home. Your home that you're standing in can finance your home improvement project. If you've got mortgage insurance, you can get rid of that as well. That can be a big savings. And if you're looking at paying off debt, you can do the same thing.
So can you give us an example of maybe a homeowner who decided to take that equity and put it to good work? For
sure. You know, we had somebody who wanted to pay off about $22,000 in credit card debt. The average homeowner is carrying $17,000. In doing so, we saved them $950 each and every month. Now, we took it one step further. We took half of their savings and applied it towards a new home loan. In doing so, they shaved 12 and a half years off of their mortgage. They saved $182,000 in payments and 12 and a half years, $182,000 in payments and interest. And the great thing is they're still saving $425 every month. So you win on every front. Pay your house off more quickly, get rid of your debt, and save money.
They must have been looking at those numbers going, what?
Yeah, it was great. And that's just the derivative of equity right now. So.
Okay, so what about those folks who want to take maybe advantage of those low rates, but they don't want to go backward?
Yeah.
What can you guys do to help?
This is our custom term mortgage. This is something that we created out of necessity for this exact reason. If you're 6 years into your 30-year mortgage, you can't afford to go to a 20-year because the payment's going to be too high, and you certainly don't want to go back to a 30. You need a 24-year home loan, and so that's where this all came to be. So no matter what you have remaining on your loan today, we can give you a new loan for that same period of time and let you take advantage of lower interest rates and lower payments.
But you know, people are watching going, oh, they're going to go lower. I'm just going to hold out. What do you say?
You know, I think it's very unlikely, but guess what? We've got a guarantee, our interest rate guarantee. If rates go down by 0.75% or more within 2 years of doing a home loan with us, we'll refinance your existing mortgage with no lender fees so you can take advantage of falling interest rates and secure a lower monthly mortgage payment.
So who should be considering a 15 or a 20-year loan?
If you're that person that you're going to be in your home long term, go to a shorter term mortgage. Your payment won't go up nearly as much as you think, and you will save 6 figures in payments and interest.
Wow, how can you protect those out there who want to go lower down their payments, who want to buy a home but don't really want the payment?
Well, you know what
or
it is.
The down payment.
What they're concerned about is protecting their down payment. So our ideal down payment protection. This is something that finally protects the buyer and protects their investment and their down payment. We will insure your down payment. It's a policy we pay for. If you have to sell in a down market, we'll cover all or a portion of your down payment if you're having to sell at a loss.
And you say now is the time.
Oh, for sure. Rates are low. You qualify for more home.
All right. Let's get you some information. Great. I could listen to you all day. Ideal Home Loans, they have a special offer for Sonoran Living viewers. Call today for a free consultation, and your first payment, it won't be due until December of this year. The number to call 602-899-7000 or go to idealhomeloans.com.